Hey everyone, welcome back. So today in this video I am going to show you how you can create social media share menu by the help of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Alright? Okay, so let me show you the output first so that you can get the better idea about what we are going to create over here. Okay? So let's have a look how the output is look like. Alright, so here you can see we have a folder called as the social media menu, right? And if you open it, inside that you can see one index file that is .html file, okay? In this HTML file, I have written the HTML code along with CSS and JavaScript as well, okay? So if you want to see what code that I have written inside this HTML file, then you have to open your text editor like PyCharm or Sublime Text, okay? So here you can see this is the index.html file, and in this HTML file I have written the HTML code along with CSS code and JavaScript as well. Okay, so in this video I'm not going to explain everything step by step, but don't worry, I will give the link of this particular index.html file in the description sections of this video. So from there you can easily download it and you can explore little bit more on this. Okay. So if you will go to the folder and if you will double click on this index.html file, then you can see the output over here. Okay. And here if you will click on this, then the other social media icon will automatically pop up inside it. Okay. Then if you will again click on it, then automatically this will close down. Okay. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.